The 8 dimensions of wellness consist your mental, emotional, physical, spiritual, social, occupational, environmental, and financial health. Occupational health, which I call happy work in the book, is basically that we are built to work and we need to be productive. Essentially, we need to be doing something. And so most of us actually get depressed and mentally exhausted and emotionally drained because we're not doing anything. We're sitting at home. So occupational health, having purposeful work, is actually essential to your health. And environmental is your happy space. This is the place that you reside. So your home, your actual physical workspace, your neighborhood, your city affects your well-being. When your home is cluttered, studies show your brain is using cognitive functioning to remember where things are. And if it's utilizing that processing, it can no longer do the things you need it to do, such as, solve a problem or answer that email, because your brain is trying to figure out, okay, well, there are a pile of boxes here, there's a pile of clothes here. And it's so fascinating. And I think it's important for us to understand all these pieces can affect us. So that's just another example how working on one dimension can ripple effect in other areas.